Dewan Lemons.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. Okay. Thanks.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Is Mr. Goss in the courtroom?
No, it's not yet.
Okay.
He's just the last one here.
I want to like to have him tap that microphone that he says he speaks into to hear if it actually picks up.
No, the microphone is really off. Let me turn it on and I'll have Officer Keeper do it.
Okay.
Tapping it.
Nope.
I turned that system
So that
off.
doesn't.
Let's get going. Good afternoon, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. Court is in session. Please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there's no driving while court is in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, smoking, or walking around in any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. All right, good afternoon, everybody. Let's start off with Miss Tashima Michelle Long. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Tashima Michelle Long. Case numbers SP 108-45491, SP 1146921, SP 1146921, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1169261, SP 1196018, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 116, strike that, SP 1196022, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1197235, B 1207672, B 1207682, and B 120772120. Oh, there's Ms. Bradfield. We weren't going to do anything substantive without you, Ms. Bradfield. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
This is Tamisha Long, and Ms. Long, I'm going to give her some more opportunity. I see we were here with Ms. Long. I said that there's going to be a final pre-trial. That Ms. Long missed time this morning. I would like to get an updated offer, but Ms. Long has some dog tickets that she indicated that she does have the receipt for being vaccinated, things of that nature, but the dog has since passed away. Like Ms. Long to be able to get her documents together, and then we're going to see if we can find that's fair and reasonable for so that she can get this behind her. So with that being said, I don't know if you want to speak to the breakout room or not. I want you to speak to the breakout room before Ms. Bradfield. You may be able to. I got to get an updated offer, so I'll wait on the city attorney to come in with that.
Okay, and is she's on today's docket?
She's on this morning's docket. I'm sorry about that.
Gotcha. Okay, I see it. All right.
All right, she's on this morning. And then some of the cases that I called, Ms. Long, join that breakout room and talk to the attorney, all right? All right, I'm waiting on an interpreter for you, Ms. Lopez. We called down there and we hopefully will get one soon. In the meantime, let me call Mr. Lemon's case. This is the City of Detroit versus Dewan Derek Lemons, case number SP 1182698, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Lemon, you do have an offer in your file. Are we okay, Ms. Williams-Law? All right, you're gonna unmute yourself.
I apologize. Oh,
You froze up.
I apologize, Your Honor. I just logged in on another device. I'm not sure what's going on with the Wi-Fi.
What part did we miss? Did we miss anything?
Yes, Your Honor. We cut out during Miss Tashima Long after you called all her cases. I missed. I'm not sure what happened after that, and I was trying to get back in.
Okay, so you didn't even get me with Ms. Bradfield and speaking with her and putting them in the breakout room?
I'm sorry. Miss Bradfield came in, but I did not hear the part about her going to breakout room. That's where, as she came on, that's where we cut off.
All right, we're gonna pass that matter. They're in the breakout room now.
Okay.
And then we'll call Mr. Dewan Derek Lemons case. This is the City of Detroit versus Dewan Derek Lemons, case number SP 1182698, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Lemons, you do have an offer in your file, and I almost look at this as sort of like a non-offer, but what it is you have charged with open intox driver, which is a 2-point offense. They want to offer you open intox passenger, which is also a 2-point offense, but they'll dismiss the other 2 counts. I'll fine you $240 for that. I don't know if you have a license, sir.
No, sir.
Do you have insurance?
That wasn't my vehicle I was driving. There wasn't no insurance on that particular vehicle I was in at the time.
All right, so with that being said, you've got the option. I'm going to give you a chance if you want to speak with the attorney and talk it over with her. But you know, in these kind of situations, I know what I would probably do if I was you, but that's just me. I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak with her as soon as she comes back out of the breakout room with Ms. Long.
And Your Honor, that was an empty bottle. I never took a breathalyzer test. They never did a field sobriety test, anything.
Well, that's why I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer. I can't really hear any of the facts of the case, but this particular charge doesn't have anything to do with breathalyzer. It only has something to do with open alcohol. And by you saying that it's an empty bottle, then that's not actionable. It would have to be some alcohol in there. Well, so with that being said, I already see where this is going. I'm just going to give you a trial day. but I'm still going to give you the point. So why don't we, Mrs. Bradfield,
Yes, Your Honor.
we didn't make a complete record of Miss Long's case because we had a little technical difficulty. We're on the record now with Mr. DeJuan Derek Lemons. And Mr. DeJuan Derek Lemons is charged open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver, a no ops and a no insurance misdemeanor. And the offer here is to plead to an open intox in a motor vehicle passenger and dismiss the other two matters. I told him I fined him $240 for that. He indicated to the court that that was an empty alcohol bottle.
Okay.
So I told him I look at those as non-offers. The open intox drivers, the open intox passenger, because it's the same two points on your driver's license.
Thanks. Exactly.
And I guess it's some people like to think that open intox passenger is more is looked on better from the insurance company's perspective than open intox driver. I don't know that for sure to say that. And quite frankly, if he has mentioned already that he didn't there wasn't any alcohol in that container, then that would lead me to either, I know they're not going to do anything different with it, then that would lead me to just set a
when was the date of the open alcohol ticket, Your Honor?
The date was April 1st, 2021.
Okay.
Okay, so he may have fooled him.
Is Mr. Goss in there?
Yeah, he's here.
How are you this afternoon, Mr. Goss?
Can you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Goss?
May it please this honorable court, Mr. Goss, P60162, behalf of the city of Detroit. How are you, Attorney Bradfield?
I'm well, and I apologize, Your Honor. I did not even put my own appearance on the record. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Mr. DeJuan Lemons. Your Honor, I would like this to serve as notice that we would like the body cam footage from the officer that stopped Mr. Lemons. I believe the body cam footage will show if there was an open container of alcohol, if there was something left in the alcohol container. So putting the city on notice, and technically the city should not have destroyed the video, because technically, according to MCL 708316 subsection 2, they are supposed to hold all audio and video recordings until the completion of the legal proceeding. And of course, his legal proceeding has not been completed. It's just beginning.
Hey, I didn't tell y'all got one of the best attorneys out there. I love that stuff. And then she's citing courts and all that.
Right.
Your response?
Just put it, normally a discovery request is needed. And whatever documentation that the city has will be provided to the attorney.
Well, see, I understand about the discovery request in writing and how you would like it that way. But here's and Mr. Perkins try to protect whatever kind of discovery there is. And Ms. Bradley, I'm sure she's just the attorney for the day, and it puts her at a real disadvantage when these cases come in, and she may not be here the next time. More likely, she won't be here the next time that Mr. Lemons has. I'm going to allow her to make that motion. because of the nature of how this thing works. And technically, I mean, I agree that she should have, they should be, I think we're gonna have a lot of issues.
Your Honor, someone dialed in and I can hear feedback from their phone and I cannot hear you right now. Thank you.
Same. Thank you.
I muted them.
Okay, thank you.
So,
I can request it, Your Honor.
all right, let's put that request in because of the, I mean, we're gonna, moving forward, I expect us to hopefully other lawyers make that same request because I can't expect or even ask Ms. Bradfield to go off and write a motion right now for that discovery request submitted to the court, meaning that she's just here a half a day, and you know, I'm gonna grant that motion in order to preserve that if it hasn't already been
What's the
destroyed. It's April 1st.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Give me the policies, the whole video for 90 days. Just put that on record. I can attempt to find out if there's anything, but it's 90 days.
I understand that, but that's going to be I mean, I'm sure Ms. Bradfield is ready for that argument too.
And I know they tell you guys it's 90 days, but I'm hearing a lot of feedback from a lot of attorneys that once they start filing motions in regards to this, then all of a sudden the video appears.
Okay, I'm just going with the policy that I'm told. So if they find it, great. I will give any discovery that I have.
All right. So what do you want? Do you understand what's going on, Mr. Lemons?
Yeah, I follow you, Your Honor. I'm still here.
So what we're going to do is we're going to give you another pretrial date.
Get my phone.
Hold on, Miss Long. I'm gonna get with you next. All right.
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry. What I want to do is I want to give you that opportunity, city that opportunity to bring that stuff. So what do we have to do to make sure? Have you notated that?
I put a note.
Okay, very well. So we're gonna try to get that body cam video to see. I'm gonna give you another pre-trial date. I'm just gonna set this. Let me ask you, what about your driver's license? What's stopping you from getting a license?
I owe a couple of tickets that I had from a few years back. I think I only owe a total of not even $300.
I see you owe a $45 reinstatement fee down here.
Uh-huh.
I want you to come back with a driver's license. That may help your case as well.
I'll follow you.
All right, so I'm going to set another pre-trial date for January 18th, 2022 at 8:30. Who's that? That's you, Ms. Bryant, that feedback.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I believe so.
I'm muted you. So I'm going to set another pretrial date for you for January 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. I would suggest you come in here with a driver's license when you come back then. That gives you plenty of time.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the best I can do. I'm gonna take some money down there and clear them tickets up, and I should have some.
Just pay the $55 reinstatement fee here, and you seem to be clear. These tickets here will not affect you in going to get a driver's license. I don't know what else is on your record, but I do know this is a whole $45 fee too. You haven't had a license in years.
Yeah, that should be it. Yeah, I'm gonna take that down there. I'm off work Thursday. I'll take that down there Thursday.
All right, so do that. You should be clear. I don't know what you have in other jurisdictions, but if you don't have anything else, I would go immediately to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a license.
All right.
All right, January 18th, 2022. Let me write that. What was that court rule you cited? Ms. Bradfield?
Sorry, Your Honor. MCL 780-316, subsection 2.
780316, section 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
780316, section 2. All right. Very well. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a great day.
All right. You all have a good day too. Thank y'all.
All right.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
All right, let's do this. Let's call Mrs. Long's case again.
I don't know if not using on the phone.
Make sure we have an accurate record. All right. Did we call all the cases? Or do we need to just do it all over again?
We got all the cases, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're on the record with, back on the record with Ms. Long, and giving Ms. Long an opportunity to speak to the city attorney in the breakout room. However, I didn't give the file over to I'm sorry, I had to give an opportunity to speak with House Counsel, her attorney in the breakout room. I did want to get this file over to the city attorney to get an offer. But I did want to also set another pretrial date up so that you, Ms. Long, can have an opportunity to get your documents together. We can come back after the holiday. This will be the last time, I said that before, this will be the last time that I get, Ms. Long, are you there? Ms. Long. You have to hit *6 on the phone to unmute yourself. Press *6 on the phone to unmute yourself, please.
My internet connection is slow.
You're on. You called in at that 743 number.
73. Hold on. 739-7762.
Oh, okay. No. Okay. No, you're on the iPhone. All right. So, can you hear me, Ms. Long?
Okay.
We're gonna have a problem with this. Turn off the video, please, and maybe that will get you to go a little faster.
Okay. What to do for me?
Yeah, you have to turn the video off. You see that start video button? There you go. All right, is that better?
Yeah, I can hear. Okay, there you go.
All right, there you are. All right, so I'm giving you an opportunity, Ms. Long, to speak with the attorney in the breakout room. I did want to give you an opportunity again to get those documentations about that dog. I do understand but you made representations that the dog is now deceased. However, I don't know if there's any way for that to be proven. And I'm sure that the city attorney wants more than just your word that the dog is deceased, but you did indicate that you at least had the dog vaccinated before it died, and that you have proof of vaccination and proof of license. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to get that together. Right now, he's writing you an offer for the that you do have, but I'm going to put this over one more time to January 18th. Hello? No, it's your bandwidth is low, that's what it's saying. Why don't you call in on the phone?
The number.
You have the number for her?
Hold on, I got it. I'm gonna call her. Okay, what's the number?
All right, hold on one second, we'll get that for you. Good afternoon, Ms. Lake.
Good afternoon, Judge. How are you?
Very well, thank you. I'm getting that number for you now. Can you hear me now, Ms. Long?
Yeah.
All right, I'm just going to tell you, just come back on January 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m., all right?
I have a number.
She's still in
Okay.
the Did you hear that?
Yes, January 18th, 8:30.
Yeah, January 18th, 2022 at 8:30. Make sure you have all your documents on that day, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a great day.
Too.
All right. All right. Good afternoon, Interpreter Vivian.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, thank you for appearing. We have Ms. Ana Cristina Lopez Arias.
Buen día, yo soy tu intérprete.
Hola, buenos días.
I'm gonna take it upon myself to learn how to speak Spanish. No, I'm a lot late today.
Immerse yourself.
I'm gonna try. All right. Let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Ana Cristina Lopez Arias, case numbers 217-27699, counts 1 and counts 2. Case number 217-277-001.
Este es la ciudad de Detroit en contra Ana Cristina López Arias. Caso es 2172-76-991 y 2172-77001. Dos cargos.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you put your appearance for the record, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lopez Arias.
Soy la abogada Bradfield representando señora Lopez.
Hola.
Your Honor, may we get the interpreter's appearance as well?
Can you put your appearance on the record, Ms.?
My name is Antonia, Antonia. Last name is Vivian, Vivian, Spanish English interpreter. Should I be sworn in?
Yeah. Can you raise your right hand? Do you promise to interpret from Spanish to English and English to Spanish to the best of your ability?
I do.
All right. Yes, that's good enough. All right. So there is an offer. Let me ask you this. This is not the right one. Where are we? Okay, here. There is an offer to plead to a failure to display a valid driver's license in exchange for dismissal of the other 2 counts. I would like to know first and foremost, is Lopez a citizen?
Could you, there's a lot of background noise and feedback. I didn't hear the last part of your statement. That there is an offer for failure to display and we would dismiss the 2 counts, but you said something after that?
Yes, it's there's an offer to plead to a failure to display a valid driver's license and dismiss the other 2 counts. And but I would like to know if this Lopez Arias is a citizen.
Hay una oferta aquí para usted que falla demostrar una licencia válida y después se renuncian los otros 2 cargos, pero que nosotros primero queremos saber si sos ciudadana de este país. I didn't hear her response, but I think she said no. Repetí tu respuesta. Estás en silencio. You're on mute.
Perdón.
Okay. ¿Usted es ciudadana?
No, no soy ciudadana de este país.
I am not a citizen of this country.
Okay. Ms. Bradfield, would you like to, can you speak with her in a breakout room, please?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to put.
Bradfield, vamos a ir a un cuarto virtual, así puedes hablar con la abogada.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to put the interpreter and the client in. Please join the room.
Cuando viene en la pantalla para ir a otra reunión, es el cuarto número 2, tenés que ir ahí.
At least I put it in today.
That's all you can do. Why do we have this guy's thing in here? Making her look bad. We have this guy mixed up. Looking at 31 over, and he's not immediately say something about the drivers. All right, we'll pass that matter. Let's go to put that on the phone. Can you unmute yourself now, please?
Yes, this is Christopher Gaston.
No, not you, sir. I'm talking about the one that's a 743 number. You unmuted, hit *6 to unmute yourself on the phone. On the cell phone that called in, 743-1642. Press *6 to unmute yourself. All right, let's move on to Ms. Lake.
Hello.
Hello. Let's see, are you one of the Lakes from over there off Iroquois?
I'm sorry. Off what?
Iroquois?
No.
Oh, okay. Got a lot of lakes over there. All right. See, this is the city of Detroit versus Amanda Latrice Lake, case number SP 1177200, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1177204, count 1. SP 1179606, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1179607, 1. Let me ask you this, do you have a driver's license, Ms. Lake?
No, sir. I'm in a that I was trying to get my driver's license. That's why recently I paid off all my tickets.
I don't, you're sitting in the driver's seat of a car. I can only imagine that you just stopped right now because you're in court. You don't want to be driving while on Zoom. But you don't have a license and you're in court in the car in the driver's seat. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, we got to get an updated offer for you. What's holding you getting your license?
I had to pay off the tickets, and I recently did that just this May, I believe. I paid off all my tickets.
You haven't paid them all off.
Well, I was waiting on these court dates so I could pay these tickets off, and then hopefully I was gonna get my license.
All right. Let's see. I'm going to get an updated offer by the city attorney. Let me just make sure that we have everything. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the matter until it comes back to get you an updated offer. This will be like a one-stop shop for you, and it'll cover all the matters that you have remaining here so that hopefully you can get your license.
I also have a court date on Monday as well.
You won't have that court date anymore if you take care of this today.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Nope, you won't be back Monday, so that'll be good. That'll be one less person on the docket again. Yeah, you won't have to worry about that court date if you make this settlement agreement today. Now, you have a right to a trial. I want to make sure that you know that. And if you want to go to trial, if you want to contest the matters, I can give you a trial date. But it doesn't appear that you have anything, none of this stuff here should affect your license. You should be able to go get a driver's license.
Okay.
So I can do one of two things. I can give you another court date now. You can come back in here with a license, and maybe you may gain a little or do you have insurance on the vehicle that you're driving now?
Yes,
Do you have registration for that vehicle?
yes.
You see, she admitted to driving, right?
Oh, shoot.
So those type of things are important as well. So I can do one of two things. And for the record, Ms. Bradfield, we have Ms. Amanda Latrice Lake, who has, I called her cases. The cases that we have on the docket today do not include the cases that she had on Monday. So, you know, as we do it in here, we like to make it a one-stop shop so that people don't have to keep zooming back in to court. But I see that, I don't know what type of infractions or if she has anything in any other jurisdictions, but I don't think anything here is holding her up from getting a driver's license. Are you driving now, ma'am?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Are you actually physically, you're not driving right now, are you?
Oh, no, I'm parked. I came down to court. Actually, no, I'm parked.
Okay, so Ms. Lake, I can give her one of two things, one of three things. We can give her an offer today. I'm waiting on the city attorney to get that offer. She indicates that she does have proof of insurance. She does have valid registration. I indicated to her that I would give her a new trial date. I mean, a new pre-trial date so that she can go get a driver's license and come back in here with a license. Or I can let her take the offer today to clear these matters up today, or I can give her a trial date. And I can also let her speak to you in a breakout.
Okay, Your Honor.
So what would you like to do?
Ms. Lake?
Yes.
What would you like to do?
I go for the new court date.
And go bring a license back when you come back?
Yes, sir.
All right. January 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
January 18th.
January 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right. If there's no further questions, have a great day.
You have an awesome day. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. We're back on record with Ms. Anna Lopez Arias.
Vamos a regresar a la acta para Ana Cristina López Arias.
And giving you an opportunity. Ms. Bradfield, that you always have some feedback in your system all the time.
That's very hard to hear.
Let me call from the other phone. Hold on a moment.
Well, let me ask you this, Ms. Bradfield.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you called in, or did you zoom in and then call in on the phone separately?
Now I'm on my phone. That's it.
Oh, I don't know why then.
So just
Okay.
Back?
Yes, I'm back.
That's a lot better. All right, we're back on the record with Mrs. Ana Cristina Lopez Arias, and I've given you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer in the breakout room.
Estamos en la acta para Ana Cristina López Arias. Tuviste la oportunidad de hablar con la abogada en el cuarto virtual.
And counselor, what would your client like to do?
Y aconsejador, ¿qué es que quiere hacer tu cliente?
What is the offer, Your Honor?
Well, the offer is pleading to a failure to display a valid driver's license, which is a misdemeanor. I'm inclined to just set a trial date in the matter, but I'm going to leave that up to you and your client.
Your Honor, I did speak with my client, and I did ask if she wanted to speak to her immigration attorney before she decided to take a plea in this matter or go to trial, and she indicated she would like to proceed today. However, I'm wondering if we could get something that is not abstracted through Secretary of State, either allow or unlicensed. I'm sorry, I'm doing a lot of talking. Go ahead and interpret.
Parece que aquí hay una oferta para falla de mostrar. ¿Y qué quiere hacer su cliente, señora Bradfield? Señora Bradfield dice, yo hablé con mi cliente y quiero ver si hay una oferta que no tiene puntos, porque yo le pregunté si quería oportunidad de hablar con un abogado de inmigración y dice que ella quiere finalizar todo aquí hoy. Okay.
And Your Honor, I wanted to see if there's something that we could get that's not abstracted with Secretary of State, either in proper plate or allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Y quiero ver si hay una oferta que no se ve por la secretaria del Estado, como, por ejemplo, decir que dio permiso para una persona que no tenía que manejar o que tenía placas inapropiadas.
Okay. What I do, the city attorney is willing, this one-time deal, Mrs. Chris Lopez Arias, is to amend it to an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll fine you $240. I'll give you a 3-month delayed sentence, and I'll dismiss immediately upon payment of the $240.
Entonces yo tuve una oportunidad de hablar con el abogado de la ciudad y solo esta una vez te da la oportunidad de declararte de dar permiso a una persona sin licencia de manejar y sería una multa de $240 y una sentencia retrasada para 3 meses. Entonces, si esta multa se paga en los 3 meses, todo el caso se renuncia.
And Your Honor, would she like to accept that offer?
¿Quieres aceptar esa oferta?
Sí, está bien esa oferta.
Yes, that offer is fine.
Your Honor, we would like to ask if she could do a no contest plea for possible collateral consequences.
Y también queremos hacer una declaración de no contestar, así no hay consecuencias colaterales.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand, Ms. Lopez Arias?
Señor López, suba su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jurás y afirmás que vas a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí.
Yes. Baja la mano.
You put your hand down, ma'am.
Baja la mano.
Ms. Lopez Arias, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, and can present possible immigration issues.
Señora López Arias, ¿usted entiende que la sentencia máxima para los cargos originales pueden ser 93 días en cárcel y o $500 de multa y también puede ser un problema con tu estado de inmigración.
Sí, sí entiendo.
Yes, I understand that.
Okay, you understand that you have a right to a trial in these matters?
¿Tú entiendes que tenés el derecho de tener un juicio con este asunto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that right? Trial right?
¿Y tú entiendes que si aceptas esta oferta, renuncias a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's just been stated in the record?
¿Alguno te ofreció algo aparte de lo que fue dicho en esta acta?
No.
No.
Okay, as it relates to the no contest plea, you indicated on the record for potential collateral consequences, and I will accept the plea under no contest, but Ms. Lopez Arias has to understand that I'm going to enter it in as a no contest plea. However, she'll get the same punishment as a guilty.
Entonces, yo voy a aceptar la recomendación de declararse no contestar, así no hay ninguna consecuencia colateral. Entonces, voy a aceptar tu declaración de no contestar, pero entiendes que la multa va a ser lo mismo como si te declararías culpable.
Sí, está bien, estoy de acuerdo con eso.
Yes, I'm in agreement with that.
Okay, Counselor, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate, factual basis for the stop?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
And an accurate, factual basis for the no contest plea?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate to a probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Entonces, tu cliente está de acuerdo de base fáctica precisa de los 3 cargos que tuviera y también base fáctica precisa de la oferta que está presentada en la acta. Abogada dijo, sí, su señoría, así es el base fáctica en los cargos mencionados.
Okay, and so I'm going to find you, I'm going to enter a no contest plea to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll take that under a 3-month delayed sentence. I'm going to fine you $240 in that, and I'll dismiss that case immediately upon payment of the $240.
Entonces voy a aceptar tu declaración y te voy a dar una multa de $240 con una sentencia retrasada por 3 meses. Y si cuando recibimos la multa y es pagada, este caso se renuncia, pero tiene que ser antes de esos 3 meses.
Ok, estoy de acuerdo.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
And I'm going to dismiss the other 2 matters. So, Mrs. Lopez Arias, when can you pay the $240?
Entonces después renunciamos los otros 2 cargos. Señorita López Arias, ¿cuándo puedes pagar esta multa de $240?
Hoy mismo está bien.
Can I pay it today? I can pay it today.
Certainly. I'm going to put it in, for the computer's purposes, I'm going to put in the September the 24th. So that if you can't pay it by today, it has to be paid by no later than September the 24th. And then once that payment is made, I want you to come back. Well, let's put you on a review. Let's have you back September the 24th.
Entonces, vamos a poner en la computadora que esto se tiene que pagar antes del 24 de septiembre. Entonces, te vamos a poner en una evaluación. Tenés que regresar a la corte el 24 de septiembre para una evaluación, que esto fue pagado.
Ok.
Okay.
All right, and do you know how to make that payment, ma'am?
¿Vas a poder hacer este pago?
Sí.
¿Sabes hacerlo?
No, pero busco que me ayude.
¿Cómo?
No, pero busco quien me ayude.
No, but I'll find someone to help me.
Okay, if you can do that, make sure it's paid. All right, there's no further questions. You have a great day.
Sí, mientras que tenés ayuda para pagarlo, por decirte y tenga buen día.
Muchas gracias, igual, buen día.
Thank you very much and good day. So, Your Honor, just a quick question. You said evaluation on September the 24th to come back to court. Does she have to come back on Zoom?
If it's paid, then she doesn't have to come back, but if it's not paid, then I'm gonna expect her back.
Entonces, el 24 de septiembre, si esto no está pagado, tenés que regresar el 24 de septiembre a este corte, ¿ok?
Ok.
Ok.
All right, have a good day, ma'am.
Tenga buen día. Ahora te puedes ir. Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam
Your
Attorney.
Honor, thank you.
See you next time.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye. All right. The City of Detroit versus Christopher Cornell Gadsden, case number SP 108-65311, that's in warrant status, and case number SP 118-16161. Appearance for the record, please.
Christopher Gadsden.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Gadsden.
All right, so there's no offer in this file because it's a state matter. The allegation is he's operating one of these off-road vehicles on Schaefer Apple. See people all the time with those off-road vehicles riding up the street, catwalking, doing all that. No insurance misdemeanor as well. I can do one of two things. I can get the state on the line. He paid a defective equipment ticket, seems like. Let's see. He made that payment on June the 30th, 2021. So I can get the state on the line, or I can give him another court date, whichever one is. So on the 2011 Honda, so it looks like two different cases. On the 2011 Honda, do you have insurance for that vehicle, sir?
Yes, sir.
What I'm going to do for your client is I'm going to dismiss that case based on the payment, first based on the representation that he made, even though I don't have the proof. But I routinely dismiss the cases because he made us a payment on the related civil infraction. So we'll dismiss that matter.
Thank you.
Let's get the state on the line and get it cleared up today so he doesn't have to come back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. We'll pass that, wait on the state. We need Jason Lyle. Jason Lyle file.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I've seen that name before. We've had, it looks like your face is familiar too. How can we help you today?
You told me I had to pay by the 17th of September, and you told me to contact you when I paid. I'm just now getting the opportunity to contact you, but I paid it on the 15th.
What's your middle name?
I'm sorry?
What's your middle name?
Equan.
Okay, no. Thank you. Okay. APA Wolf is leaving because she's not well, but she says in 30 minutes, if I call her back, she'll be at the house and she'll be able to zoom in.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's not well. We'll get him another day. All right, so I have Jason Equan Lyle Yeah, it's just this one case, Z30187301. It's, it seems like, I don't know what this is going on. You can call it judgment, but it doesn't have a dollar amount in there. That goes all the way, that's an improper parking ticket, so I don't know. Charge $95. I don't know what's going on with that. But it appears that you've done everything that's required of you, sir. I don't see anything that you owe. So
That's awesome.
I just like people to zoom back in to make sure that we have these cases closed out.
I appreciate that. I need to make sure.
All right, that other improper parking ticket, that, I don't know what that's not gonna affect anything, but that was on Coyle Street or near Coyle Street, 14399, but that was way back in 2014, and I don't know what's going on with that. But it doesn't have a dollar amount in there, so it shouldn't affect you at all.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
As well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Gadsden. And Mr. Gadsden, the state prosecutor is unable to zoom in now. I guess she's fallen ill. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this out. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. We're going to recall the warrant on this matter. We're going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, and then we're going to set a $0 bond for this. And we'll give you a court date, January 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. That's a pre-trial date. So check that license, and after that, you can go. And I'm only checking that just to make sure, not for any other purpose other than just to make sure that you know that it's actually good. I mean, you sound confident, but sometimes people think they have a license and they don't actually have one. Expired. So you don't have a valid license.
It expired this year?
It's expired. Probably expired on your date of birth of 8/16/1993. 8/16. That's my homeboy's birthday. 8/16.
Okay, sir. So it expired this year. Okay.
All right, so you don't have a license. That's why I do that.
Oh,
So
I'm glad. You did. I thought I did.
Off-road vehicle, and you get another one of those tickets, and you get a driving while license not valid.
Yes, I sold the bike. I got rid of that.
You're gonna get another one.
No, I crashed. I injured myself. I almost broke my neck.
Well, that'll do it.
That'll do it. That'll do it. All right, sir. Be safe. I'll see you back on January 18th and 2022.
Why does he have to bring a license? He just got off the vehicle.
That's state charge.
That was a state.
Yeah, bring the license. We'll help you charge.
Okay, I need to renew it.
You can go to probably one of those kiosks in Meyer. I see them in Meyer in the grocery stores.
Just expired.
Yeah, easy. They make it easy for you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir.
You
You
too,
got
sir.
that date?
January 18th.
2022, 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right. Okay, the person that called in on the phone, I tried to get you to press *6 to unmute yourself. Maybe if I put them out, they call back. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself? We'll give them a few minutes. Your internet connection is unstable. Bradville's gone too.
Oh, that's all right.
All right, there we go. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Sherry Landon.
All right. Sherry Landrum?
Yes, sir.
All right. One of my good friends' last name is Landrum.
Sherry Lynn Landon. Let's say what, pardon me?
Say that?
I said, what did you say, sir?
I said one of my good friends' last name is Landon.
Oh, okay. That probably one of some of my people.
All right. Do you know that? Are you on the east? Were you ever on the east side over there on Meringue, Miss Landrum? Is your birthday 7/25/1960?
Correct.
You know you have a warrant for your arrest.
Pardon me?
For a police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing.
No, I don't.
Way back in 2012. How would she get? I don't see a judge of record.
I don't know. They kept me last time I know that they kept me to Detroit Receiving Hospital.
When you beat that police officer up? No, I'm just messing with you. Don't answer that.
No, sir.
Don't answer that. Well, I just wanted to let you know it's a 2012 case. Let's call the cases for today. This is the City of Detroit versus Sherry Lynn Landrum, case number SP 1181023, counts 1, 2, and 3, and case number SP 1181039-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Landrum. State your full name for the record, ma'am.
Sherry Lynn Landry.
All right, Ms. Landrum, do you have proper plates? Do you have a driver's license? Do you have insurance and registration?
Yes, sir. I have all that in above.
All right, how are we gonna see that?
I don't know, but I got it right here in my hand. I don't know.
Are you outside the courthouse now?
Yes, I am. I'm in an $8 parking place.
You said $8, huh? You spend big
Yeah,
money
I'm
on
out here.
You
No,
spend big
I'm
money
trying to get these tickets. I'm trying to get these tickets finished because I don't want no problems with y'all because everything is legit, and the police officer just told me to bring the correct information down here to y'all, and y'all would dismiss the character. So that's what I'm here for. Cause I ain't never had no. I ain't never had no tickets, sir.
I didn't tell you that. Nah, you got. I see you never had any tickets. You got this beating up this police officer. Runner license for me, please.
My driver's license number is L536765564
What you need to do after you get off the phone with us, what you need to do is come in this building and come in here and turn yourself in on that warrant.
I got a warrant off on my wrist. Okay.
Yeah.
My husband is at home sick. I ain't fit to come today, though. My husband broke his ankle. I can't do that today. Sorry, Charlie. Not today. I love you. Yeah, I can't do that, bro.
Not today.
Not today. I'll holler.
Let's see what's going on with that.
Hello?
I gotta think this is 750.81D1. I'm gonna look that up.
Hey, he told me I got a warrant out for my arrest. Oh, you got a warrant out for your arrest? He said I'll be the police officer. Girl, I don't make you no police officer. What you laughing for, sister? Ain't no sweat. You be a police officer. That's probably my district.
Listen, I didn't mean to say you did. I said that's what they said you did.
Well, that's what they say. I ain't did nothing like that. I don't do nothing like that.
Back in the day, this is 12, 10, almost 10 years ago. Let's see. It's a misdemeanor. Should be in front of me, huh?
Honey?
Criminal?
Yeah, he don't want to go turn. Yeah, okay. How much it cost me to get out my bag?
I don't think they're not going to lock you up. She's got a valid driver's license. Nothing on her driving record at all. Nothing.
Right.
This thing is clean. This driver's license is clean as the Board of Health.
That's right. That's right. That's the way I've been driving, sir.
It's cleaner than the Board of Health.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to do the right thing.
That's not what that police officer said.
No,
all right.
My husband is not stress for me.
I hear that. Let's see. What we're gonna do with your client, Ms. Bradfield?
I wish there was a way for her to be able to show her other documents as well.
Well, you know what?
Well, I got them all for USAA. I've been on insurance for them for 2019.
Listen, I'm not. I trust and believe. I believe Miss Landrum. She's
My
outside.
husband, my husband is a business. He come from. He was a Navy vet.
I'm gonna come down
Okay.
there myself. Meet me at the front door. I'm gonna come down there myself, Miss Landrum, and see your your record.
Okay.
Meet me at the front door, all right?
Okay.
Police.
What's your name?
Judge Perkins.
Judge Perkins. Okay, how you look?
Huh?
How you look?
You're gonna see
You
me in a
may put
minute.
me in jail today.
I'm not gonna put you in jail.
Wear your robe so she can see you with your robe. She'll know who you are.
All right.
He gonna have his robe on, Miss Landrum, okay?
That okay. Yes, sir.
And
I mean, yes, ma'am.
he got a white face
Okay.
mask, okay?
Hey, come on. I can't go no. You can walk there too. Come on. All right. I'll be there in a minute. Yeah. There you go. They hear me. What's been on? You just take it. Calm my hood. Calm my hood. That's the only thing you can do. Huh? No checking. Ow! It is what it is. Yes, sir. It is what it is, man.
How you doing, Miss Landrum?
I'm blessed.
How you doing?
Yes, sir. Okay, that goes to figure where I paid my insurance. I paid it USA.
I want to see the insurance certificate and registration.
That's all they give me. When I send it to the man, my husband is carrying fell off. Cut the bush. really hang. Okay, come back here and put my nose. I'm gonna just sit down. Okay. Okay, sister, I gotta do this again. You ain't finna let nobody do her back. You ain't finna do a motherfucking thing with her back. Don't say fuck up your back. Your back is fucked up. Mama went to my back already.
Miss Landrum? Miss
Okay,
Landrum?
y'all, I gotta call back in. All right, well, you working down here? Okay, bro. Okay, love you.
Miss Landrum? Miss Landrum?
Well, that just made my day. That was all.
She was quite the character.
I mean, I've been cracking up in this mute. That was perfect.
I know, she's quite the character.
He had to see for himself.
I actually wanted to see her myself.
Me too. Me too. I said, oh man, their phone isn't even connected to the Zoom because I want to see.
She said, not today.
She said, well, then, oh, that was the funniest part. Like, yeah, I know I can't come down there today. My husband got something going on. She started, it was cracking her up. Like, I loved it.
I wish I had met her myself.
Yeah. People, they had some spirits that really big spirits.
She's back. Miss Landrum? Miss Landrum, is that you?
Yes, ma'am, this me.
All right, just one moment. Just on his way back up.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Did she call back in?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did this call back in?
She's on the line, Your Honor.
She's on the line.
All right. We're back on the record. Sherry Lynn Landrum. Miss Landrum, are you there?
Okay.
All right, we're back on the record. Miss Landrum, it's very nice meeting you and your sister. I appreciate you guys coming down here to court, and I appreciate you having all your documentation together. Based on that, I'm going to dismiss all these matters for valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
All right, and good luck to you, ma'am, and your sister and your husband. Hope you get well
Thank you,
soon.
sir. You have a blessed, awesome day.
You
And
have
I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, we'll see about that tomorrow. All right.
Okay, thank you. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Jesus.
She real as can be.
Yeah, she seems quite the character. I said I wanted to see. I wanted to meet her myself.
Yeah, I'm telling you, she is real as can be. All right. That seems like that'll conclude the day.
All right.
We will be back tomorrow, and we have this AM docket here. And I guess looks like we're gonna have, tomorrow is our community court, and it seems as though we're gonna have Linda Perkins Moore and Mr. Wallen again.
Okay. I hope you guys' docket is not as heavy as last Wednesday.
Yeah. That was something else there.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that bad.
No, it doesn't. And then it's got four, I counted 40 people, but we figure 40, and then if half show up, we'll be in a lot better shape for last week. Yeah. All right.
That's good. Well, I will be having major surgery tomorrow morning.
Oh.
Yeah.